Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Hello everyone, it's me JB from Unique Tutorials. Today in this video I will show you how you can hide your folders and all your documents in a single folder using a software, and what's the use of this software and how useful the software will be for you in day-to-day uses, and is it really secure or not. I will thoroughly review about this software. So keep watching till the end of the video. So without any further more delay, let's begin. First of all, you need to open any web browser and go to this website, the newsoftwares.net. I'll be providing this website link in the video description below too. So you can click there and you can directly go to this website. So once you log into this website, you can see here the desktop written at the top. So when you point the cursor on that desktop, you will see a folder lock. Just click on it. So once you click on the folder lock, it will take you to the download page of the folder lock. So you can see here it's written download now or full version. Don't worry, you can use the free version too if you want to try it firstly, then later if you want the pro version, then you can purchase from by clicking on the full version. So you click on the download now. As I've already downloaded and installed already in my computer, so I'm not going to install it again. So you download it, and remember this download option is right now I'm talking about is for the Windows computers, not for the Apple Macintosh computers. So if you're using the Windows computers, then definitely you should download and try this software. So you download it. So once the download is complete, you install it. Now once the installation is completed, we'll open this folder lock software. So you can see the first time you're opening the folder lock software, they will ask you to set your respective password. So you put your master password, but remember you should not forget this master password, otherwise it will be very difficult for you to get back your master password. So I would highly recommend you to remember or write somewhere in a diary or a notebook if you can't remember all the time the master password, because it is very necessary in later uses also. So I'm setting a master password. So depending upon your needs, you can set your master password. So once done, you can click OK. Again, type the same password. And once done, click OK. Now the master password has been created. Now what you need to do is have been written here. Click add and drag drop files or folders to lock. Say I will create a folder in the desktop itself just to show you. Create a folder. I'll write it name as private. So this folder is empty, so I will put some files on it. Say I want to log those photos. So what you need to do after putting those files on those folders, just you need to drag and drop on here. So you can see here the folder is gone. Now to unlock it, what you need to do is you can tap here, so it's unlocked. Since you have already unlocked this software, so the folder will be totally unlocked. So let's turn it off and we'll try to open this software again. So we'll check whether the files are there or not. If someone can check or not, nobody can check those files. So we'll put the password again. Once you type the password, click OK. It's open. You can directly open those files. So one more benefit of using this folder lock option is that, so let me show you what is more one special profit of using this. Suppose say someone want to uninstall this software. Say I will try to uninstall this software. So as you can see here, they are asking a password even to uninstall. So someone who wants to delete your DOS software cannot totally delete or remove your software by any means, since even in uninstalling purpose the master password is necessary. So the unknown person who is trying to steal your data or want to destroy your data without your knowledge cannot uninstall this software without having the master password. So I'm sure why I recommending this software mainly for you, since these features you have seen right now that you can uninstall even without giving a password of that software. So in day-to-day life uses, this will be very helpful if your laptop has been stolen or something and you hide all the files inside your computer, so it will remain safe. Or the only purpose, if the person need to format your entire hard disk, then only he can or she can use your laptops, but still your data will totally be erased and that person cannot use your stolen data. So I hope you find this video information very helpful and download this software from the given link in the video description and try it out by yourself. And please do leave a comments below too, that whether it is very useful for you or not, and if something is missing on the software, let me know in the comments below. So if you like this video, please click on the thumbs like button and please do support our channel by subscribing our channel. And lastly, thanks for watching.